Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the SSID and password. This is essential because the TV must see the exact network name. Once the hotspot is active, make sure the band is compatible with your LG TV too. 4 GHz often works more reliably. Now go to your LG TV settings, open Network, and choose Wi-Fi. The TV will begin scanning for nearby networks, so keep your phone within a few feet for a strong signal. Once the TV lists your hotspot, select the SSID and enter the password using the TV remote. Take your time to avoid typos because repeated failures can lock connections. If the TV asks, choose DHCP so the phone assigns an IP automatically. Otherwise, set a static IP only if you understand network details. After you confirm, the TV will attempt to connect. Make sure the phone remains active and not in power save mode. Because the hotspot can drop while you're entering, you finish by launching a streaming app or using the TV's network test to confirm internet access. Stream a short video to verify playback and buffering. If you want a mirror, enable screen mirroring on the TV and start casting from your phone. Make sure both devices stay on the same hotspot. If it fails, reboot both devices, check the hotspot device limit, and try switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz. These simple steps usually resolve common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.